What's up, everyone? Today we are checking out the official Hot Wheels Formula One 2025 10 car pack. Inside this box, we will find all 10 Formula One teams, each with its own unique livery and racing identity. Let's take a closer look at every single car. Starting with McLaren. The iconic papaya orange and black livery make this car stand out instantly. McLaren is one of the most successful teams in Formula One history, known for its speed, innovation, and championship winning livery. Now it's time for Ferrari, the legendary Rosa Red livery, and recognized all over the world. Ferrari is the oldest and most iconic team in Formula One, making this one of a must have for every collector. This is Oracle Red Bull Racing. The dark blue livery with the Red Bull logo gives its aggressive racing look, one of the most demanded team in modern Formula One and definitely a fan favorite. Next up is Mercedes. Finish it is silk black livery. This car look incredible premium. Mercedes has demanded the hybrid era of Formula One, winning multiple drivers and construction championships. Next is Aston Martin. This beautiful British racing green paint gives this car an elegant and premium appearance. It's one of the best looking livery on Formula One grids. Next up is Alpine. The blue and pink BWT livery make this car one of the most eye-catching modern in the entire set. It represents renewed Formula One teams and look fantastic. Here's the Haas F1 team car. The black and white design is clean, sporty, and instantly recognizable. It's the only American-based team on the current Formula One grid. Here we have the Visa Cash App Racing Bull car. The white and blue color scheme give it a clean and modern look. This is a Red Bull sticker team focused on developing future Formula One stars. Here comes Williams Racing, the blue livery looking simple yet classic. Williams is one of Formula One most historic team with an incredible legacy of championship victory. Finally, we have Kick Sauber. The black and green livery gives it a bold and unique look. This team is expected to become Audi's official Formula One team in the future, making it interesting addition to the collection. So that the complete Hot Wheel Formula One 10 car pack. Every car represents a real Formula One team, making this one of the best set for both collector and F1 fans. Let's make know in the comment which car is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.